Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
I have told you target 40. That means we are targeting on all 40 constituencies in organization wise. But our minimum is we'll make sure that we'll get 27 seats in 2027. We have come up ki baba 40 constituencies and we will concentrate in our organization. And our target is done in 24 and 27 in 27. At this time, both our candidates, North as well as South, we will announce them much prior. I mean, we'll give enough time so that they can go meet people and we'll give good candidates. I mean, obviously we have a sitting MP in South. Regarding North, we will come up with the candidate much early, not like declaring at last moment and 2 mahine astat and because he also ultimately needs time to move around because those are 20 constituencies.
But then enough time will be for them to win or will be?
We will declare much prior so that he gets enough time to roam in those 20 constituencies. No, BJP, we don't know what is their strategy. I have told you my strategy that we will give enough time to our person to work in both the constituencies.
Digambar Kamat election active
Ultimately, yesterday Dineshji has told you that this election was fought under his leadership. There was a wave of Congress and we couldn't get those numbers. So he's little hurt on that. Whatever statement C.T. Ravi has made and as pointed out by our leader, problem is they are scared that Tanja 5 jan hota. So that's why they are targeting more 5. This is the real story. To tell you, there's so much of infighting between them, 2 leaders, that one guy knows that 5 will go with him.
So Congress supported government now, sir.
Let's see.